The stink that comes out of this car is horrible. The smell is horrendous. That looks like mold or something. Oh, I didn't know that Kia Soul had ashtrays from the factory. It's fucking horrible. It's disgusting. There's shit piled underneath in there. Cigarette butts on the floor. I don't understand. Like, dude, there's trash cans at every Wawa you stop to buy cigarettes. Or dot shops. Everywhere you go, there's a trash can. You can drive by and get your car washed and vacuumed for $30. And bring it in here and have somebody else you don't know get inside your car and say, "Oh, are you fucking kidding me?"